Good day, ladies and gentlemen, once again. This is a question on averages. I will try to unpack it in different ways and other ways in which information can be provided to you. Example 5.1. In fact, these questions are very easier because you normally be given a go-ahead in terms of how to do the average most of the times, but we know the average is something divided by something, or total divided by the number of whatever the case might be. Now it says find the average mass per fowl, which is per chicken, and I want to highlight that is per chicken because the formula will tell us that if the mass, meaning if the weight of 17 fowls is 2.5 kg each. Take notice, 2.5 kg each. That means the weight of the chicken equals 2.5, and we have 17 chickens, and that of 8 fowls is 1.98 kg each. That means for the other 18 chickens, the weight for each of these 18 chickens, it is 1.98 for each of them. Now we are required to calculate the average weight for each of the fowl or for each of the chicken. The formula says total weight divided by total number of chickens, and we already know that we have 17 plus 8 chickens, which will be a total of 25 chickens. So we know the total here will be 25 chickens, but we need to know the total weight. Now our total weight is very easy. It will be 17 fowls times by 2.5 kgs, because we are told that each of the 17 is having a weight of 2.5 kgs. Then we say plus the 8 chickens, which are to be multiplied by 1.98 kgs, because they told us that it is 1.98 kgs. So let me just write it at the bottom for visibility purposes. We have 17 that is multiplied by 2.5 kgs, and we add the other weight, which is the 8 times by 1.98 kgs. Then we divide by the total number of chickens, which is 17 plus 8, and we know this will give us the total of 25. I just want to expand the upper calculations or the calculations above. 17 times by 2.5, it gives us 42.5. And now the 42.5 is the total weight, 42.5 kg, and this 42.5 for the 17 fowls or 17 chickens. And plus I want to separate them, 8 times by 1.98, and this gives us 15.84, and all divided by 17 plus 8. I want to explain it in details for some important reasons. Now you could be given, just want to change the color, you could be given the total weight for 8 chickens, and you're required to calculate the kgs. You could be required to calculate the kgs, or you could be given the total weight and be given the kgs, and you need to calculate the number of chickens. So that means this 8 chickens might not be given, but you might be told that for a certain number of chickens, the total weight of the unknown chickens is 15.84 kgs and their weight was 1.98. So now how will you deal with that? You'll have to say the total weight of 15.84 divide by 1.98. That will give you 8 chickens, which is this 8 that we need here. So not all the times numbers will be given just like that. You might be given the total and be given the kgs per chicken or per fowl, then you have to look for the number of chickens that you had. So now please be mindful of that. And again, for this one, you can be given the total kgs. And now after given the total kg, they tell you that the weight per kg for each of the fowl that we don't know was 2.5, and you need to calculate the 17 fowls, which again will be the total 42.5 divided by 2.5. That will give you 17 fowls. So that's what I want to bring across your mind at this point in time. So now we are not there, we have 15.84 kgs. Then now we are required to calculate the total or the average weight. So now what do? We say 17 plus 8, this will give us 25. Then we divide by 25. Then we say 42.5 plus 15.84 equals, we get 58.34 kgs. 58.34 kgs. So our final answer will be divided by 25, and we get to 2.3336 kgs. So this will be the average weight for the total of the 25 fowls or chickens. Average weight for all of them. Now that was a very short recording, 6 minutes 43 seconds for averages example 5.1. Thank you guys very much.